new brush at the end. Ooh, I think this one has a new brush at the end.
Maybe. We'll see.
The top brush is black now. It's way different. There is a new brush at the end. See? Yeah, one of them's broken.
Looking brushes down there too.
Yeah. Oh no! We're stuck! Oh no, we're stuck! Not broken! No, I mean working!
Uh-oh. Let me see. I'll get the little brushes.
Okay.
The little brushes. Oh, they're done.
How come our car is stuck? What the heck? Oh no.
Start.
If it doesn't work one more time, then we're screwed.
Somebody didn't pull up far enough back there.
Yeah.
They didn't put it in neutral under the car.
This one's so different than I thought it would be. It's like so different in the inside. I mean, like the brushes. I mean, like 2 of the brushes have been taken away. The what I call the toy and the brushes that only get your side and not the front.